Hello students, first of all welcome to third year. Now we will see the brief about the industrial automation. It is elective subject. Its course code is 22534. It is an elective subject. First we will see the syllabus of industrial automation system. What is the course outcomes? Identify different components of an automation system. Interface the given I/O device with appropriate PLC module. Prepare a PLC ladder program for given application. Select the suitable motor drives for specified applications. Prepare a simple SCADA applications. Now the teaching scheme. It is 30 marks theory paper. 70 marks theory paper. 30 marks progressive assignment. End semester examination is 25 marks. It is the internal examination, and 25 marks for progressive assessment. That is total 50 marks. These are some practical list of practicals. Major equipments required for the practical. Now the theory. Unit 1. Introduction to industrial automation. Now 1.1 need and benefits of industrial automation. 1.2 automation hierarchy, basic components of automation system, description of each components. 1.3 types of automation system, in that fixed, programmable and flexible automation system. 1.4 different systems for industrial automation, in that PLC, HMI, SCADA, DCS and drives. Now the unit 2. It is a PLC fundamentals. In that 2.1 building blocks of PLC. It covers CPU, memory organization, input-output modules, that is discrete and analog, special I/O modules and power supply. 2.2 fixed and modular PLC and their types. Redundancy in PLC module. 2.3 I/O module selection criteria. I/O module selection criteria. Interfacing different I/O devices with appropriate I/O modules. Now the unit 3 PLC programming and applications. 3.1 PLC I/O addressing. 3.2 PLC programming instructions, in that relay type instructions, timer instructions, in that on delay, off delay, retentive, counter instructions, up, down, high speed, logical instructions, comparison instructions, data handling instructions and arithmetic instructions. 3.3 PLC programming language, in that functional block diagram, instruction list, structured text, sequential function chart, SFC, ladder programming. 3.4 simple programming examples using ladder logic, language based on relay, timer, counter. Logical, comparison, arithmetic and data handling instructions. 3.5 PLC based applications, that is motor sequence control, traffic light control, elevator control, tank level control, conveyor system, stepper motor control and reactor control. Unit 4, that is electric drives and special machines. 4.1 electric drives, in these types, functions, characteristics, 4 quadrant operations. 4.2 DC and AC drives control, in that VF control, parameters, direct torque control. 4.3 drives, in that working principles, specifications, parameters, types and applications of drives. 4.4 applications, in that speed control of AC motor and DC motor. Unit 5 supervisory control and data acquisition system, that is SCADA. 5.1 introduction of SCADA, typical SCADA architecture or blocks or block diagram. Benefits of SCADA. 5.2 various editors of SCADA. 5.3 interfacing SCADA system with PLC. In that typical connection diagram, object linking and embedded for process control, that is OPC architecture. Steps in creating SCADA screen for simple object. Steps for linking SCADA object, that is defining tags and items with PLC ladder program using OPC. 5.4 applications of SCADA. In that traffic light control, water distribution and pipeline system or pipeline control. Now the weightage of the chapter or unit. First unit has a 6 marks, second unit has a 18 marks, third unit has a 22 marks, fourth unit has a 12 marks, and fifth unit has a 12 marks. That is total 70 marks. These are the students' activities suggested. Now the suggested micro projects. They are given some list of projects, that is automatic street light control. Prepare a PLC based system to control the street light as per the intensity of natural light. Automatic agriculture irrigation system. Prepare a PLC based system to control the drip irrigation. Third, railway gate automation. Prepare a PLC and SCADA based system to open or close the prototype railway gate automatically. Fourth, home automation. Implement the versatile automation system for home that can automate any 3 home applications. Bottle filling station. Prepare a PLC and SCADA based system for prototype bottle filling station. And last one, troubleshoot the faulty equipment or kit available in automation laboratory. These are the list of micro projects. These are the some reference book given by the MSBT. These are some websites. Okay, thank you.